with the attendance of the Ministry of Health Undersecretary Dr. Khalid Al-Sahlawi and the Chairman and members of the Executive Office at the GCC Council of Health Ministers, the media centre of the 39th session of Health Ministers Conference. Our correspondent Hiba Abdurrahman was there with more details.
Ministry of Health Undersecretary Khalid Al-Sahlawi inaugurated the media center of the 39th session of the Health Ministers Council of the Gulf Cooperation Council GCC member states. The media center, which is located at the Jumeirah Hotel, provides reporters and journalists covering the ministerial meeting with logistical and technical support required to broadcast and dispatch the reports about the event. During the inaugural speech, Sahlawi said that the ministerial meeting themed Together to Combat Non-Communicable Diseases, a developmental priority, focuses on the Gulf countries' efforts to counter the spread of the non-communicable diseases.
The meetings they will start tomorrow. We will discuss different issues. The most important issue is the chronic disease, non-infective, non-chronic disease, which is the major task of this meeting. We believe that we shouldn't treat only; we should prevent certain disease like hypertension, obesity, cancer. We believe that if we can control this risk, we definitely will going to reach the disease. Controlling this risk factor is more cheaper and more easier than the expense of treating such disease.
The conferees will also discuss the World Health Organization's WHO Framework Convention on Tobacco Control and the endorsed GCC Centers for Medical Examination of Expatriate Workers. For his part, the director of the Executive Office of the Council of Ministers of Health of the countries, Dr. Tawfiq Khoja, said that the meeting of health ministers of Gulf means for activating the health programs with a single launch and promote the concept of the health of the Gulf cooperation towards more cooperation in the field of health.
I'm really totally honored to be here in my country, Kuwait, and really we are privileged to have such a welcoming from all aspects in a very lovely way, and at the same time in a brotherhood, and which is reflecting as we are one family and we are in one team spirit. At the same time, what we have seen in the preparation and in the organization of such conference is great, and actually the atmosphere and the location, the preparation, and every aspect of this very important meeting, crucial meeting, it shows that we are going to have a unique and a special meeting where it will help us in bringing our resolutions, ministerial resolutions, to the right directions to our beloved citizens in the GCC countries.
Non-communicable disease, or NCD, is a medical condition or disease which by definition is non-infectious and non-transmissible among people. The opening of the media center of the 76th GCC Ministers of Health Conference came as one of the effective steps that's meant to ease the communication for all the media members and journalists, as it provides all the needed information concerning the conference. From Jumeirah Hotel, this is Hiba Abdurrahman reporting for English News.